Okay, my dear student, I am your social teacher, B.R. Signal. Everybody know that very well, okay. Now today I am going to discuss in front of you about this Unit 8, Lesson 6, okay. Unit 8, Lesson 6, that is Financial Education. It is also known as Financial Literacy. Today we are going to discuss about this Financial Education and Financial Literacy. Financial education and education have the same meaning. So what the mean of this financial education? What the mean of this financial literacy? Now listen me carefully, my dear student. It is also very important because it means that it is the lesson of this unit 8, lesson 6. That is the financial education. Okay. Now what is financial education? What is financial literacy? Now listen me carefully. The set of skills, the set of skills and the knowledge given to an individual or this student to make them able to understand how the money work in the world, how the money work in the world, okay, how to earn this money and how to make this money and how to manage money systematically and how to invest for this returning and for the future use. That is known as the financial education. That is known as the financial literacy. Okay, my dear student, of course, yes. Now, what are the importance of this financial education? What are the importance of financial literacy? Now, first one is that financial education, or you can say financial literacy, make the people to understand, okay, the importance of money. To make the people understand what is the importance of money. First one, and second one is that it enable the people, okay, to utilize the money for the social and this economic security. Second, now third one, it encourages people to save the money for the future use. It encourages the people, okay, to save the money for this what? The future use. Okay. We are now talking about the importance of financial education. We are talking right now about this importance of financial literacy. Now, for one is that it gives the knowledge for appropriate and this productive use of this remittance. Okay. It gives the knowledge, okay, for appropriate and this productive use of this remittance, the money that is came from this abroad nation, that is known as this remittance. And for the fifth one is that it helps to maintain the domestic income and this expenditure, okay, in a managed way. So these are the importance of what? The financial education, or you can say financial literacy. The financial system is different in our country. The Nepal Rashtra Bank classified this bank into these 4 years character, means that is classes, okay. A class, B class, C class and D class, okay. According to 2073, the commercial bank are lies in this A class, and according to this 2073 in Nepal, in all over the Nepal there are 31 commercial bank, and development bank lies in this B class. They are the 7 according to 2073, and finance company, they lies in the C class, and they are in all over the Nepal 59 according to 2073. Like this, my dear student, you must have to understand. And microfinance company that lies in this D class, and they are 35 in numbers. Okay, these are the classification of the different financial license finance institution that is classified by the Nepal Rashtra Bank. They are A class, B class, C class and D class. Okay. And now listen to me, a function of this financial institution, financial bank, okay, the accepting deposit, supplying the credit, okay, dealing in the foreign exchange and transmitting the funds, bank guarantee, okay, transmission of the government bond, and providing this other services. These are the function of financial institution, okay. Now listen to me, now types of this bank account. The first one is the current account, second one is the saving account, and third one is the fixed account. Okay. Now current account, what are the mean of this current account? What types of this bank account it is now? You have to understand very nicely. It is in bank account where the money are deposited, okay, my dear student, and withdrawn at any time, and bank never provide any interest. Such types of the account is suitable for the different office, okay, different traders, different business persons. That account is known as the current account, okay. And second one is that saving account. Okay, it is the bank account where bank provides certain interest in certain rate. Okay, and this type of this account is useful for this savers of small amount, that is known as a saving account. And last one is that this fixed account. What account? Fixed account. This is the bank account, okay, where these customers are provided with the higher rate of this interest. What? The higher rate of this interest. The money depositors are not allowed or cannot withdraw the total amount of the money until the maturity date. That account, such types of the account is known as the fixed account. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Again tomorrow I will come with this next topic. Still we are in this unit 6, lesson 6 of the unit 8 in this financial education, and tomorrow I will come with this next topic. Okay, thank you very much, my dear student.